this video I'm going to show you how to assemble a national hive. You start off with your sloping hive stand, nice sloping bevel board on the front, and the next thing is your, in this case, open mesh floor. Some people have solid floors. It just slides on top of the sloping hive stand and pushes up to the alighting board like so. The next part is your national brood box. This is a British standard brood. We do also sell 14 by 12 broods as well, which are a lot deeper obviously. This has got your full frames and dummy board, and that just sits quite nicely on top. Get it nice and flush like so. Next is your queen excluder. Okay, this is the top of it where the screws are that fix the grid to the frame, and the bee space faces your brood, so it faces down, and that's your bee space just there. You can see there's a bit of a gap, and this sits on top of your brood box like so. The next parts to the hive are the supers. Usually there's 2 on a hive, and they're with your frames in there as well and castellated spacers, and these sit on top of the queen excluder. So if you notice, I'm putting all the panels to the front. As well as looking smarter, it means the frames are facing in the right direction. This is your second super, exactly the same as the first, and this sits on top of the other super. Again, panel to the front. Like so. And next we put on the crown board. Now these usually sit on top of the supers, just underneath the roof, unless you're extracting honey. And if you're extracting honey, you need the bee escapes, which fit inside these little holes. They just literally pop in. Line it up and just pop it in. Okay. So your crown board sits on top of the super, unless you're extracting honey, in which case it goes below the super. The next and final component of your hive is your roof. Now we do various of these. This is a 4-inch national roof. We do 6-inch national flat roofs or gabled roofs as well, and this quite simply sits on top of your crown board and supers. And that is your complete assembled national hive.